Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to change your birthday on Facebook. So let's get started. Well, in case you add a wrong birthday when creating your account, you can easily change it. Well, after getting the application, tap on your profile. And after that, tap on Edit Profile. A page like that will appear. So scroll down till you find Edit Your About information. Then scroll down again to Basic Information and tap on Edit. And from here, choose the day, month, and birthday year. Then save. And like that, your birthday have been changed successfully. Thanks for watching. See ya!